And by the end of this session, I am very clear that each one of you at least will figure out who you are.
Fourth question. What is the world needs? The world needs to be save earth.
And the world needs me because when in future I want to become a software engineer.
I love motorsport, track racing.
So basically, first thing I love is eating. So eating and exploring new things like this dish, what it has and everything. I'm good at keeping my surrounding happy.
What I love scrolling the reels because of daily I have 2 hours scrolling the reels.
So never give answers based on your emotions. Always try to be logical. We are going to speak, we are going to learn, we are going to know. That is, what is your ikigai? I repeat. I know this is the new word that you have heard it for the first time. So the topic is discover your ikigai. What is your purpose in life? So ikigai is a Japanese word. Iki means life, gai means value or worth. The complete meaning of ikigai is a purpose in life or purpose of being. We have to figure out what is our ikigai. We have to figure out what is our purpose of being this human today. So we are here today to discover our ikigai. What's your name? Rashmi Patil. This is her external identity. What are you? What is your purpose in life? Why are you here? Here in the sense, not in the classroom. Why are you on this planet? Why do you have a life? There must be a reason. I ask you a question. Why are you here today in this classroom on this Saturday session? Why? Because there is a purpose that you want to learn something. You want to build your personality. You want to enhance your skills. You want to learn how to talk in English. You all have come here with a purpose. Is there anybody who has come here without purpose? So similarly, if you can't even come to a class without purpose, how have you been to this world without purpose? What is your purpose now? That is what we have to figure out. And this is a disclaimer that I am putting. Within one class we'll never figure out it. It is something that takes so much time, and over a period of time gradually we are going to understand this by the steps, by the things that we do. And here in this session I would like to tell the 4 major pillars of discovering your ikigai. So first I would like to know, have you understood the term ikigai? Ikigai, that means a reason for being. That is what ikigai. So before that I would like to tell you, most of us, I believe each person in this world is searching for happiness. So I ask, is everybody happy? No. The answer is certainly no. Why? Why are we not happy, or why everyone is not happy? That's my question. Do you do something that you don't love? Do you do something that can't make you happy? Yes, in certain cases we have to do something that cannot even make us happy. We have to fulfill the obligations. Most of the people in this world are unhappy today just because they do something that they don't like, or they do something that they don't love, they do something that they are not good at. These things actually make a person unhappy. I won't even speak alone for this session today. I want each one of you to participate. And by the end of this session, I am very clear that each one of you at least will figure out who you are, what makes you happy. So for that I have to allow you on stage, and each one of you have to stand and speak on stage. So I myself will give you the topics, and those topics and my questions will help you figure out your ikigai. Okay, then I would like to call on stage. Yes, without wasting so much time, ladies and gentlemen, no, sorry, boys and girls, put your hands together. Let's invite Chetan Kumar. Please come here. Give a huge round of applause for him.
First question. What you love?
First, you have to greet them. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chetan Kumar. I am very glad to stand in front of you and give a speech. So here I'll go.
Hello everyone. My name is Chetan Kumar Alchette. I am standing here to answer
To these 4 questions.
to these 4 questions. The first question, what you love? I love to be active every moment of my life without wasting my time. Second question, what you are good at? I am good at learning new things every day, like painting, like putting plants, writing poems, etc. And third question, what you can be paid for? This question answer I don't have, but I wrote something. I want to be a person who inspire everyone and not expect from anything from others. Fourth question, what is the world needs? The world needs to be save earth. Thank you.
Wow, superb. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Chetan Kumar. Thank you so much. And you have to be very clear with those 4 answers. Okay, that is your ikigai. Now again, I'll come to the next point of this session. This is not the end. I'm just answering to these 4 questions. Again, I'll have some mastermind questions to all of you. That will again boost your confidence to figure out your ikigai. Now, I would like to call on stage. Yes, please, boys and girls, put your hands together. Inviting Rashmi, please come on stage.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashmi Patil. I'm grateful for this opportunity. First of all, I love myself and I love listening singings, and I also love to watching movies and TV. I'm good at in studying, and I also good at in teaches something I know. And third question is, maybe my skills are paid me, like my technical skills or my soft skills are only paid me, and the world needs me, because when in future I want to become a software engineer, so one group of people are also want me. This is my answer. Thank
Wow,
you.
superb. And the 4th answer, I really like it. The world needs me. Wow, superb. Clap for her. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rashmi. And here, I would like to call on stage without wasting so much time. Let me bring here. Claps for Sujit. Please come here.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sujay Hiremat. I am from Bagalkot. I love people and money.
People and
Money.
wow, superb. Everyone has unique answers, you know. She says the world needs me, and he says I love money. Wow, superb. Continue. Second question, where you are good at? Hold it properly.
My good act is I am a DJ operator.
Third question is what you can be paid for. ಎದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಗಳಿಸಬಹುದು, ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು?
DJ operating and trading.
Trading, DJ operating. Okay. Last question. What the world needs?
Words need so many things.
What you can fulfill?
Is using and wasting. Example, water
Hmm.
and
Will help to save water.
little.
Thank you so much, Sujit. I would like to call here on stage. Claps for Shreyasya. Please come here on stage.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Sriyarsha. Thank you for the giving opportunity to speak about my ikigai. I love overlanding, camping, and I love motorsport, track racing. I am good at my passion. You can paid for my profession. The world needs humanity.
Wow, yeah, super. Thank you so much, Sriharsha. Thank you so much. And I would like to call here on stage, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Let's invite here. Give a huge round of applause as calling. Yes, Shreya, please come here on stage.
So good afternoon everyone, and I'm grateful for this opportunity to tell these 4 questions. So basically, first thing I love is eating. So eating and exploring new things like this dish, what it has and everything. And I even love listening to music, and I even love like helping people. So if they are struggling with any problems, anything, I have seen like many people come to me, so I give suggestions. And even I am good at it, and I am good at studying and grasping whatever the new thing like which I listen, or if I want to, I'm good at that. And rest 2 answers, everyone stole my answers. What I can be paid, and especially I love traveling, and I'm even good at traveling. I think I can be paid as a like a traveler, something related like that. And
You travel and people should pay you.
no, sir, I traveling guider. What it says, sir, I forgot the exact term.
Guider,
Yes, sir.
Tourist guider.
Yes,
Hmm.
thank you. So tourist guider, and the world needs humanity. He stole it. Another me, she stole it. That's it, sir.
Okay, thank you so
And
much.
world needs everything, sir.
Okay, thank you. Claps for her. Thank you so much, Shreya. And here I would like to call here on stage. Please clap for Renuka ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity. First question, what you love? I love be with society and learn to new things from people. And second question is,
What you are good at?
I good at.
I am good at.
I'm sorry. I'm good at keeping my surrounding happy.
Wow.
And next question is.
What you
What
can
you
paid
can
for?
Okay, I can be paid for my teaching and craft work and tailoring. And what world needs, world needs knowledge. So I want to give my student knowledge, and they will grow. When they will grow up, they will spread knowledge all over world. So thank you,
Wow,
sir.
superb. Clap for her. Thank you so much, madam. Your answers were excellent. So I would like to call you on stage. Give a huge round of applause calling Miss Pavitra. Please come here on stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pavitra Gundami. I am from Gokak. Today, I will talk about that 4 questions. First question is what I love. I love scrolling the reels because of daily. I have 2 hours scrolling the reels. Next question is uh, what is my good act? My good act is sleeping. Sleeping is sleeping.
Clap for her. Wow.
Third question.
Genuine answer.
Third question is what paid. I can paid for. I want to become a software engineer. Fourth question is what world needs. The world needs courageous people. Courage people.
Wow, super. Please clap for her. Thank you so much, Pavitra. Thank you so much. Please clap for your own selves. ನಮ್ಮ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಂದು ಇಕಿಗೈ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಕಿಗೈ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್, ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮನಿ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಮೋಷನಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. Be logical person. The simple thing in life, if you want to be strong, if you want to be passionate about, so never give answers based on your emotions. Always try to be logical. the answers that most of you have given are without logic. Loving parents, loving money, loving sleep. Okay, fine, everything is good. But our topic is discovering your ikigai. So that means I would like to tell the first question was what you love. What you love and where you are good at. You have to combine these both. Then it becomes your passion. Example, you are good at, you love teaching and you are good at teaching. That's your passion. I love teaching. I am still even good at teaching. This is my passion. You are getting my point. So what you love and where you are good at. If you do these two things combined, then you are following your passion. And these Japanese people do this only. This ikigai word, the concept itself has come from Japan. And they people always do that.